Hi friends! Well, today I'm going to show you what I did in order to fix an old shirt of mine because I love this and I want to go to a marriage of the son of my friend tomorrow, and I really don't feel like going shopping. I really hate it. I don't know why. Don't ask me, I'm just 56. I always go for shopping for yarns, not so much for clothes. So it was a shirt I loved, and that was really tight in this chest area. And I really want to wear it. So, well, I made the first row of single crochet, and this is the right moment to measure here to see, because my initial chain really it's not the right way to understand. I will to understand if it's okay as a length. I measure it here and till up. I think I made one or two more stitches which I will unravel, because I will not stretch it very much in order to sew it, but I will leave it a little bit loose. So if I see right, I have to unravel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row, I will chain 1 and I will chain 1 and make a first single crochet, chain 1 and make at the very first stitch a single crochet, and after this I will chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet in next one, leaving a small hole. So chain 1, skip 1 stitch, single crochet next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, single crochet next stitch, and I will see you at the end of the round. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and single crochet at the very last stitch. I saw that it's not a transparent, very transparent pattern, leaving one stitch in single crochet, so I will keep on the same thing and chain 1, and now I will sorry, I yarned over, I shouldn't have done this. I single crochet in very first stitch, and then I will do this thing: single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, you can see the single crochet, and single crochet in next space, chain 1 and just try to find the space between single crochets, and chain 1, single crochet next space, chain 1. Very simple pattern. I think it will look nice in this side place of my shirt. And I will make a final row. I made a plain row of single crochet at the beginning. I made 3 rows with single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Then in this last row I will chain 1 and I will single crochet. Just a moment to make again, because I left a rather big loop here that don't want it. So chain 1 and single crochet in first stitch, and then single crochet in the single crochet and single crochet at the next space, 1 single crochet at the single crochet stitch, and then single crochet at the space. If you open, you can see a small triangle of the single crochet made in previous row. You single crochet there, and then you single crochet in the chain one space. So to do a stitch here to my machine, I will turn it a little bit and put it in this crochet. You could iron this thing this way, so you've got no problem, and put it this way, put a pin here, pinch it. I will do the beginning and the end, and then I will divide, because I want to just stretch it a little bit. So I put a pin at the beginning and at the end. Okay. And I will stretch it a little bit, you see, so I can be sure that here at the middle of this space I will put a pin also. And I will put more pins now. One here. I will stretch it so my item is right, it's a little bit stretched. And put it to my first single crochet row. I always have to stretch a little bit. And put one here and one more here. I prefer to do this, try it on to myself and see if it's okay, because if it's not okay I will have to crochet a little bit more, and before I sew it to the machine I just make a try. So I have to make the same thing to the other part now, and this will be my shirt, and this will be the final aspect of my side. And I think it will look nice. The important thing is that I hope it fits well here to the chest, that it was very tight. To do the right thing, of course, in order to wear it and try it on, is to make a seaming by hand and remove the pins so I can wear it. So I thread a dark color and follow here the trace, big stitches, and in this trace of this big stitch I will later on make my normal stitch in the same color as my fabric to the sewing machine. And I will leave my pin there and go on and make big stitches. Maybe I will iron first so it's better, and I will make a better seaming. I will do the same thing to the other part. I will make a dark seam by hand, and I will see you at the sewing machine. I'm going to show you now what I did with my shirt, and I tried it hard to crochet a piece for here and for here. Maybe with my shrug, this is what I thought that I could wear at a wedding. Maybe with blue trousers and a romantic shrug made by me, which gives a worth in my outfit, and a shirt also saved by our knowledge in crocheting and sewing. Let's go and sew the shirt. And I begin making this seam very slowly. Don't forget, you are working with a fabric and a crochet item, and we usually don't seam in a sewing machine crochet items, but we will do it now. I'm checking, I have catched the crochet item. I'm checking down there that I have no double fabric, and I go on sewing. You always have to fold and feel that to your sewing machine you have only the piece that you are sewing. Very slowly, following the black big stitch we have made by hand. Then we are sure we are doing the right seam. And I have come to the end. But I will not do the seam till the end. I'll try to leave a slight opening, a small opening. So I'll do the other part of the seam also. Let's start again. Slowly follow the black trace seam. If I pull the black thread, it will go away, and there at the bottom I have made this opening. This will be alone and free, and a small opening here will give a charm to the shirt. There it is, this point, and this is my shirt. I have ironed, of course, before I do it, and this way there will be no trace of the black thread. You can also pull and see that it goes very easily. This is the repair of a shirt, Thank you very much. I hope I helped in some way. If you want to do something similar, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to know if you'd like to see more sewing tutorial videos, and I'll be happy to do this. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.